Good morning, welcome to Computer Science tutorial channel. In this tutorial we will learn BCD conversion with simple and easy examples. Dear friends, subscribe the Computer Science tutorial channel for latest update and notifications. Dear friends, in this class we will cover the following two topics: decimal to BCD conversion and BCD to decimal conversion. These are very important topics in any competitive exams. First, we will discuss how to convert a decimal number to BCD number. In this case, I have taken a decimal number 43 base 10 and I want to convert it into the BCD format. Step 1. Write the each digit of decimal number separately. Our number is 43, therefore I write 4 and 3 both number separate. Step. In step 2, we will convert these individual number into the binary number. Remember that in step 2 we have to convert these individual number into the binary number, but condition is that you can use maximum number of 4 bits only. So we have to convert 3 into the binary number with the help of only 4 digit. The value of 3 is 1100. This one is 1 and this one is 2 and the addition is 3. Therefore the binary value of 3 is 1100. Similar, we have to convert 4 into the binary value and the binary value is 0, 0, 1 and 0. Step 3. In step 3 we have to merge both groups together. We have to merge this group and this group, or we can say write the binary value together. For example, I have write 1, this one, 0, 0, then 0, then 0, then 1 and 0. So this is our answer. I again repeat the process. In step 1 we have to write each digit of decimal number separately. Our number is 43, therefore I write 4 and 3. In step 2 we have to convert each digit into binary value separately in 4 bits. For example, the binary value of 3 is 1100 and the binary value 4 is 0010. In step 3 we have to merge both groups together, or we can say write the binary value together. So this is our new binary value and this is our answer. So when we convert 43 from the decimal number into the BCD number, we obtain 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now we will learn how to convert BCD to decimal. Now this time is the process is reverse. I have a number, I have a BCD number 01000011 in BCD format and we have to convert it into the decimal format. For this, the first step is, our number is this. We have to break this binary number into 2 blocks and each block must be consist of 4 bit. The process of creating blocks will start from left hand side. So when I break this block, we have obtained these 2 blocks 1, 1, 0 and 0. Into the second block 0, 0, 1 and 0. Step 3. In step 3 we have to convert each individual binary block into decimal value, or we can say we have to convert this binary value into the decimal value. It is equals to 4 and this is equals to 3. So our answer is 43 base 10. So when we convert this BCD number into decimal number, we obtain 43. I repeat the process. First you have to write your binary number into 8 bits. In step 2 we have to break the binary number into the group of 4 bits. The group must be created from left hand side or this side. So if a BCD number consists of 6 digits, you have to create a block from the left hand side. So I break the entire BCD number into 2 blocks. After breaking this block, we have to write the decimal value of each block separately. So we obtain 4 and 3. So this is our answer, 43. Now I have an exercise for you. What is the BCD value of the following decimal number? Our decimal number is 512 base 10, and you have to convert this number into the BCD number. Dear friends, solve this question, write your answer into the comment section. I will confirm your answer as soon as possible. Now, second exercise. In this exercise, you have to convert a BCD number into the decimal number. Write your answer into the comment sections. I will confirm it as soon as possible. Dear friends, in this tutorial, we have learned how to convert a BCD number into decimal number and decimal number into the BCD number with simple and very easy examples. If you like this video, share this video on Facebook, Twitter, Blogger. If you have any query regarding this video, you can write it into the comment section, or you can contact me on my email address or mobile number. Thank you for watching my video.